Are you struggling to switch between multiple Roblox accounts on your phone? In this video, I will show you the quickest and easiest way to do so. I'll cover all the steps necessary to switch between Roblox accounts. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Roblox mobile app and then tap on these three little dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, scroll down to the very bottom and then tap on Logout. And then tap Logout one more time to confirm your action. Once you've logged out of your account, tap on the Login button over here. And then simply type in the login credentials of your other Roblox account. After that, just tap on the Login button over here to simply log into that account. As of right now, this is the only way to switch accounts in Roblox. Unfortunately, there is no option to effortlessly switch between accounts. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.